Hey everyone, I'm the Off-Grid Vegan Chef, and in today's episode I'm going to make these incredibly delicious lentil burgers for everyone who's getting sick of all the imitation stuff. Just a veggie burger being a veggie burger. First, I'm going to add 2 cups of dry lentils to a pot of boiling water along with a little bit of salt, and I'm just going to boil these until they're chewy. Yep, that's right, and that only takes about 10 minutes. Now I'm going to strain them well and let them cool down to room temperature. Now I'm going to pour them into a mixing bowl along with 1 can of red beans, 1 cup of finely chopped portobello mushrooms, and 2 cloves of finely chopped garlic. Then I'm just going to mash these up good for a few minutes with a potato masher. Now I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of tahini, if I can get the stuff to come off the spoon. And now I'm just going to mash it up again. And now I'm going to add about 1.5 tablespoons of refined coconut oil that's hardened in the fridge, and as you can probably tell, it's really hard. And I'm also adding about 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. Now I'm going to mash it up again and just keep on mashing. Now I'm adding about 1/4 cup of masa flour, and you guessed it, mash again. My arm's getting really tired. It's a lot of mashing. Alright, now I'm going to add 1 more 1/4 cup of masa and mash it 1 more time. I swear this is the last time we're mashing this stuff. Now I'm going to start forming the patties, but first I'm going to pour some olive oil on my hands and also spill a bunch on the tray because this is going to be a sticky mess. I'm just forming the patties into your, typical hamburger patty shape, nothing fancy. This recipe makes about 8 large patties, but my tray only holds 6 because life's not fair at the end. So I'm just going to have to cover the rest with saran wrap and save it for another day. But once I'm done making these patties, I'll stick them in the fridge for about 30 to 60 minutes. And it's 30 minutes later, so now I'm ready to season my first patty with a little bit of salt and pepper. And now I'm going to toss it into a very hot, very well greased cast iron skillet. Try to get some smash action going on. Oh yeah. Now I'll season up this side of the patty. And now I'm just going to let this cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, then flip it over, hope it doesn't break, yay. Cover it with some chow cheese, then cover that with a pan, and let it cook for a few more minutes until it looks like this. And now I'm ready to start dressing up the burger with all the fixings. I got the vegan mayo, the fresh greens, a few slices of tomato, some dill pickle slices, some Dijon mustard that I spilled on the cutting board, and some green onion to finish it off. And there she is, the finished beauty in all her glory. Look at that. Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And, if you've made it this far, that means I haven't annoyed you away yet, so why not watch another one?